Good morning, you guys. So today we are going to be looking at proportional equations and looking at IXL questions you missed. So the first thing that I want to tell you guys is our goal in solving equations is to get the variable by itself. So goal in solving equations is to get variable. Remember, variable is a letter by itself. So in this question, what's my variable? U. Okay, so it says solve for U in the proportion. So that's why I had this U equals and then the box. So to do this, we have to use cross multiplication. So I'm going to draw my X to remind me which ones I'm going to multiply together. So I'm going to do 50 times 36 equals 45 times U. All right, I'm going to draw my line in the middle to divide up the left side of the equal and then the right side of the equal. And I'm going to use my calculator to multiply 50 times 36. So 50 times 36, I get 1800. 45 times U is just 45U. And when there is a number in front of a variable, it means to multiply. So what is the inverse of multiplication? Or how do we undo multiplication? Yep, we divide. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by 45. 45 divided by 45 is just a giant 1. And 1800 divided by 45 is 40. And 1 times U is 1U or just U. So our answer here is 40. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our next question. Remember, our goal is to get the variable by itself. So we want D by itself, and then we need to find this value. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our X. 12 times 6 equals 8 times D. Draw my line. 12 times 6 is 72. 8 times D is 8D. Okay, and now we're going to do what? Ooh, I almost gave the answer away. What's our next step? Well, we're multiplying here, so we need to divide both sides by 8. So I get that 8 divided by 8 is 1. I'm left with 1D equals 72 divided by 8 is 9. So 1D equals 9. And remember, 1D is still the same thing as D. So 9 equals D. All right. So in this box, I would write the number 9. All right. 2 more practice problems, and then we'll call it a day. So once again, need to get W by itself. That's my goal. Anytime I'm solving for an equation, my goal is to get the variable by itself. So let's go ahead and cross multiply. 6 times 20 equals 15 times W. Okay, draw my line. 6 times 20, that's 120. 15 times W is 15W. Okay, so now how do I get my W by itself? What do you guys think? Hopefully you said that we need to divide both sides by 15, because what we do to one side, we have to do it to the other. Okay, so now let me use my calculator and divide 120 by 15. I get 8. And 15 divided by 15 is just 1. So I get 1W, or W equals 8. And what I forgot to mention last time is 8 equals W and W equals 8. It's the same thing, okay? I can switch the order. All right, and let's do one more practice problem. So what is our goal when solving equations? To get the blank by itself. What goes in the blank? Yes, so our goal in solving equations is to get the variable by itself. Here our variable is k. Let's go ahead and draw our x to see what things we need to multiply together. 9 times 4 equals 6k. Draw my line. 9 times 4 is 36. 6k. And what is my second step that I need to do? Yep, I need to divide both sides by 6. I get k equals 6 because 36 divided by 6 is 6. Or k equals 6. All right, and that's it. Okay, hope this helps. I know we were struggling a bit yesterday with solving for these equations.